Okay, well, let's get right into it. We have a 5-pack of WISHABLES pins that are unopened. I think this is series 1. It doesn't say. Oh well, let's dive in. Let's see what we got. Pin number 1. Oh, they're all in black. That's awesome. Okay, well, where's my scissors? Okay. Okay, this is not working out as a... Okay, I need some sharper scissors or something. Okay, we have... Nemo! Nemo! I guess this is going to my granddaughter. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Mystery pin number 2. Oh my gosh. Flounder. So cute. Number 3. Oh, this one's a weird shaped-ish. Okay. Yeah, I needed better scissors. That sticks. Okay, let's get that out of the way. Oh my gosh, it's Sven. Oh my gosh, it's Sven. I wanted Sven. Yay. Now I don't have to try to find him in the parks on the trading boards. I still want Olaf. I only have, let's see, I only have one of them. And it's Jack Sparrow. These are all my other pins that I probably will never, ever, ever, ever get rid of. Not many, because I'm just starting out. I just kind of started 6 months ago, so. Oh, here it is. Okay. Oh, I gotta cut it open. Oh my gosh, it's Dory. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That's so awesome. Yay. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is the last one. This is the last one. Okay, so far, Dory and Nemo will go to my daughter and my granddaughter. My granddaughter is only 2, but my daughter is starting a lanyard for her already. Flounder, I don't know. I really like The Little Mermaid. It's my favorite Disney animated movie. So I don't know. I might keep him. I'm not 100%. But, I mean, if I could find Little Mermaid, if I could find her, I would definitely keep him. So I don't know. But for sure, Sven. Sven's a keeper. Sven is a keeper. All right, this is the last one. Okay, I had to stop. Does anybody feel like it's kind of like opening up mystery packs of pins feels like, I don't know, like being at the casino or something, or like having a chance to win the lottery, like getting your favorite pin that you want? That's, I don't know, that's kind of how I feel. Okay, last one is, oh, shut up. I got her, the Little Mermaid. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I wonder if there would have been 6 in here if I would have gotten Olaf. Could you imagine that? Oh my gosh, that would have been crazy. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. That's so cool. Okay, well, I'm hoping to have more unboxing, unwrapping type of videos. My son and I are going to Disney World November 6th through the 10th of 2022. So that's in like a couple weeks, and that's for our birthdays. So the damage I'm probably going to be doing on some pins there is just insane. So while I'm there, I'll make some revealing type videos like this one. So if you want, be sure to leave a comment and tell me what series this is from. I want to say it's series 1. I don't know. And the ones that have, like, I think it's Woody and Jessie on the cover. I think that's series 2, but, you know, I might be getting them mixed up. I don't know. But be sure to leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite wishable pins are. If you've seen them on the boards at Disney World lately, I'd love to know where. But yeah, we'll see ya.